Freepik versus Weavy AI creative tools. Choosing the right AI creative platform can transform how you design and collaborate without wasting time or resources. Freepik focuses on vast creative assets, while Weavy excels in building integrated collaboration features. Freepik and Weavy are powerful AI creative tools but serve different purposes. Freepik offers an extensive library of creative assets for designers, while Weavy provides embedded collaboration and productivity tools for teams. The core difference lies in asset availability versus integrated teamwork. Freepik is a comprehensive platform offering millions of high-quality creative assets, including vectors, photos, and illustrations. It uses AI to help users quickly find relevant visuals for any project, streamlining the creative process. Designers, marketers, and content creators benefit from its vast resource pool, enabling fast and flexible content production. Freepik's strengths lie in its extensive library and easy-to-use search powered by AI, which saves time sourcing assets. However, it does not focus on collaboration or project management features, which means teams need separate tools to coordinate work. Ideal users are individuals or small teams focused on content creation who need quick access to diverse visual assets without investing in custom design. Freepik's platform is perfect for accelerating design workflows but requires external tools for team communication or integration. Weavy is an AI-powered platform designed to embed collaboration and communication directly into applications. It enables developers and teams to integrate chat, file sharing, and task management into their existing workflows, enhancing productivity without switching apps. Weavy's AI features optimize collaboration by automating routine tasks and improving team coordination. Its strengths include seamless integration, real-time communication, and customizable collaboration tools, making it ideal for teams needing embedded solutions. However, Weavy does not provide a large library of creative assets or design resources, so it's less suitable for users focused solely on content creation. The ideal user is a development team or organization looking to embed AI-driven collaboration features within their software or internal tools, improving workflow efficiency and team connectivity. Weavy excels in enhancing teamwork but requires complementary creative platforms for asset sourcing. Freepik and Weavy serve distinct but complementary roles. Freepik is best for creatives needing immediate access to a wide range of visual assets, perfect for solo designers or marketing teams producing content quickly. It streamlines asset discovery but lacks built-in collaboration. Weavy, on the other hand, focuses on embedding AI-powered collaboration directly into apps, ideal for developers and teams, prioritizing communication and workflow integration. In real-world use, Freepik accelerates creative production, while Weavy boosts team productivity by reducing app switching. The trade-off is between asset richness and collaboration depth. Choosing Freepik means faster design access but separate team tools, whereas Weavy offers seamless teamwork embedded in your apps but requires external creative resources. Choose Freepik if your priority is quick access to diverse, high-quality creative assets for content creation without the need for integrated collaboration tools. Opt for Weavy if your focus is embedding AI-powered collaboration and communication directly into your workflows or applications to enhance team productivity. For comprehensive creative projects, combining both platforms can deliver the best balance of assets and teamwork.